Hey everybody, it's Chris from chriscircuits.com. I wanted to do a quick video just to do a quick review of the Jog It. Some of you may recognize the name from the Kickstarter project, may not recognize the device, as this is the next generation that I was lucky enough to be selected to do a beta test for. So this is the Jog It. It's a CNC pendant. It enumerates as a USB keyboard. So you plug it into your USB, it shows up as a keyboard, and all of your Mach 3 hotkeys are right there at your fingertips. So I want to do a quick review of it. I really like it. So I've got Mach 3 all set up here. One thing you'll have to install is a screen set that allows the hotkeys to be some of the hotkeys that aren't there to be active. So here it is. Once you have it, you can just press any of the keys here and it will do the exact same thing as if you're pressing the keyboard, which is kind of nice. The nice thing about it is you can be, over here homing your material and not having to go back and forth from your keyboard. And then what's really nice is you've got some of the keys that may be a little more difficult to remember, the shortcuts. You can turn up and down your jog speed. So if I push down here on my jog speed, I can slow down, how the speed that I'm jogging at, which is kind of nice when you're trying to home your machine. And then also while you're actually running a program, let's see if I can run one here. One thing, you can zero all the axes right here, so that's now set as the 0, and I can start a program and see how it's going, and if I say, hey, that's too slow, I can speed up the program by pressing the arrow key here, and it'll speed up my program. You can kind of hear it speeding up. Oh, right here, this is what I want to do. Wrong button. There you go, that's the one I want to do. You can hear it speed up. So that's nice. The one thing you can do that's kind of nice is they have this home key here. You push home and it'll actually send your machine to its in-stops. What else? Let's see. It's got the flood key here, which you can set up to do like your air assist. That's what I have mine. You'll hear a solenoid click. Yeah. And then I could even fire my laser here if I had material that I wanted to test, I guess, where I'm getting a fire. You can pause your program. You can do the jog mode's kind of cool. So if you're homing your machine, you're homing to your material. Let's say you're moving, it's kind of hard when you're in this continuous mode to maybe hit a spot, so you can press this jog mode here, and it'll actually go in increments, so you can increase your jog or your step. That's what I want. Yep. And it'll do discrete steps, and you can do as fine as a thou or 10 thou, and so you can really home your material. So yeah, I will put all of the information about the Jog It, where I got it, the Kickstarter project, up on chriscircuits.com and also in the description of this video. But for those of you with laser cutters and that have been using my boards, I would recommend getting it. It makes it so quick, so easy to home your material, to jog around the machine. It's really nice, and you can just, it's just here. You don't have to worry about keyboard getting in the way. You bring it over with you. I think it's great. Anyways, that's it for me. Happy cutting, everybody.